Breaking news. Scientists are on the brink of discovery, but dangers lurk in the darkest corners of our planet. Imagine a world where even the bravest explorers hesitate to go further. Tonight, we're plunging into the most terrifying depths ever charted by humankind. I'm Chris, your guide into a realm where sunlight never reaches. These are the top 10 deepest places on Earth that even scientists are afraid to explore. If you think you can handle the pressure, join us as we journey where few dare to go. Hidden beneath the endless blue expanse of the Pacific Ocean lies a place so mysterious and extreme, it almost defies belief. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known part of our planet's oceans, stretching over 1,150 miles, longer than the entire length of the United States, from east to west. This immense underwater canyon marks the boundary between two tectonic plates, and its depth is so profound that it has captured the imagination of explorers and scientists for generations. At its deepest point, known as Challenger Deep, the trench plunges nearly 36,000 feet, almost 7 miles straight down. That's so deep if you drop Mount Everest into the trench, its peak would still be buried more than a mile beneath the surface of the water. Down here, sunlight never reaches. The darkness is absolute, and the pressure is so intense it would crush a human body instantly, over 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. The temperature hovers just above freezing, making it one of the coldest places on Earth. Despite these harsh conditions, life finds a way. Scientists have explored only a tiny fraction of the trench, yet they've already uncovered bizarre and otherworldly creatures. Translucent shrimp, glowing jellyfish, and fish with jaws that unhinge like monsters from science fiction. Many of these species have never been seen anywhere else on Earth. Each expedition into the trench is a high-stakes gamble. The submersibles used must withstand unimaginable pressure, and every trip is fraught with danger. One wrong move, and the vessel could implode in seconds, leaving no chance for escape. But the mysteries don't end with what we can see. Deep hydrophones placed in the trench have recorded eerie, unexplainable noises, strange sounds scientists have nicknamed the bloop and the Julia. Some believe these noises could be caused by unknown geological activity, while others wonder if they hint at life forms we have yet to discover. The Mariana Trench remains the true heart of Earth's darkness, a place where the unknown still reigns. Even the bravest scientists and explorers hesitate before diving in, knowing that every journey into the abyss could reveal wonders or unleash new mysteries that challenge everything we know about our planet. Deep in the remote, icy wilderness of Russia's Kola Peninsula, a team of determined Soviet scientists embarked on an audacious mission that would push the boundaries of human exploration. Their goal? To drill deeper into the Earth's crust than anyone had ever dared before. This ambitious project became known as the Kola Super Deep Borehole, and it would soon earn a reputation as the so-called gateway to hell. Over the course of 2 decades, these scientists managed to drill an astonishing 40,230 feet, more than 7.5 miles, straight down into the planet. The operation required cutting-edge technology and relentless perseverance as the team faced challenges that grew more intense with every foot they descended. As the drill bit plunged deeper, temperatures soared to a blistering 356 degrees Fahrenheit, far hotter than anyone had predicted. The immense pressure underground was so great that it snapped even the toughest drill bits, like twigs, forcing the team to constantly innovate and adapt. According to legend, when microphones were lowered into the shaft, they picked up eerie, haunting sounds that fueled wild rumors and superstitions. But the real discoveries were just as fascinating. Scientists unearthed ancient microfossils, revealing life forms that had been trapped for millions of years deep beneath the surface. Even more astonishing, they found pockets of water locked inside solid rock. Water that had been isolated from the surface for over 2 billion years. This discovery challenged everything scientists thought they knew about the Earth's geology and the movement of water underground. The rocks themselves were unlike anything expected, revealing strange formations and rare minerals that hinted at mysterious processes occurring far below our feet. Each new layer brought more questions than answers, deepening the intrigue surrounding the borehole. As the drilling continued, the conditions became increasingly hazardous. Equipment failed, temperatures rose, and the risks mounted. Eventually, the project was abandoned, not because they reached the center of the Earth, but because the dangers became too great to continue. Today, the Kola Super Deep borehole is sealed with a heavy metal cap, sitting silent and forgotten in a desolate landscape. Yet, its legacy endures, shrouded in mystery and rumor. Some still whisper that it is the gateway to hell, a portal to the unknown depths of our planet. Would you dare to unseal the borehole and descend into the darkness, to uncover the secrets that lie hidden miles beneath the Earth's surface? The mysteries of the Kola Super Deep borehole remain, waiting for the next brave soul to explore the unknown. Challenger Deep is the lowest point in the world's oceans, nearly 36,000 feet down in the Mariana Trench. Less than a handful of humans have ever visited this crushingly deep abyss. Unmanned probes and submarines reveal bizarre life forms, transparent shrimp, alien amphipods, and bacteria that feed on stone. Most of Challenger Deep remains unexplored, with rugged terrain and sky-high risks. Unexplained chemical plumes and shifting sediments hint at mysteries we can't yet explain. Every mission returns with more questions than answers. Would you take the plunge into the absolute unknown? The Puerto Rico Trench is the Atlantic's deepest point, plunging over 27,000 feet just off the Caribbean coast. This immense underwater chasm stretches for hundreds of miles, forming a dramatic boundary between the North American and Caribbean tectonic plates. Its sheer depth and scale make it one of the most mysterious and least explored places on Earth. A true abyss that has fascinated scientists and adventurers alike for generations. It's a hotspot for earthquakes and tsunamis, with constant seismic activity. The shifting plates beneath the trench generate powerful tremors, some of which have triggered devastating tsunamis that have impacted the Caribbean islands and even the eastern coast of the United States. The region is under constant watch by geologists and disaster preparedness teams, as even a minor shift could have catastrophic consequences for millions of people living nearby. Only a fraction of its underwater canyons have been mapped. Each dive reveals new rock formations, rare minerals, and flashes of life. Scientists have discovered unique ecosystems thriving in total darkness, where strange creatures have adapted to the crushing pressure and frigid temperatures. These expeditions are not just about mapping the unknown, they're about uncovering the secrets of life in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Submersibles risk being trapped by landslides or crushed by shifting rocks. The unstable geology of the trench means that even the most advanced underwater vehicles face constant danger. Landslides can occur without warning, sending massive amounts of rock and sediment tumbling into the abyss, threatening to bury anything in their path. Even small tremors could collapse entire sections, making exploration a deadly gamble. The risk is ever present, and every mission into the trench is a test of both technology and human courage. The margin for error is razor thin, and the consequences of a mistake can be fatal. The trench holds secrets about our planet's seismic history, but most of it remains untouched. By studying its depths, scientists hope to unlock clues about how earthquakes and tsunamis form, and perhaps even predict future disasters. Yet, the vast majority of the trench is still unexplored, its mysteries hidden beneath miles of water and rock. Would you risk everything to see what's hiding in the quake zone? The Puerto Rico Trench is a place where danger and discovery go hand in hand, a realm where only the boldest dare to venture, and where the next great scientific breakthrough could be waiting in the darkness below. Deep in Tibet lies the Yarlung Tsangpo Grand Canyon, the world's deepest and longest canyon. Its remote towering walls and wild rapids make it nearly impossible to explore. The river is deadly, with currents that can crush boats and sweep away even the strongest swimmers. Local legends speak of strange creatures and unexplainable noises echoing through the canyon. Scientists dream of studying its unique life, but the treacherous conditions keep it largely unexplored. Would you dare to enter the uncharted gorge, knowing you may never return? Beneath Georgia's mountains lies Krubera Cave, the world's deepest, plunging over 7,200 feet underground. Explorers crawl through narrow passages, face underground rivers, and endure total darkness. Only a fraction of Krubera's passages have been mapped. New tunnels and chambers are discovered every year. Some lead to bottomless pits, others to hidden lakes or ancient fossils. Strange life forms and bizarre minerals could exist here, untouched for millions of years. Would you have the courage to keep going when the darkness seems endless? Off Indonesia's coast, the Java Trench plunges over 24,000 feet. One of the Indian Ocean's deepest, least explored places. The water is pitch black, the pressure can crush steel, and powerful currents sweep through its depths. Submersibles have glimpsed bioluminescent animals and massive, mysterious shapes moving in the dark. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions can strike at any time, sending shockwaves through the trench. Scientists believe entire unknown species may live here, rewriting the rules of life. Are you ready to face the fear beneath the waves? Hidden in the Atlantic's Puerto Rico Trench, the Milwaukee Deep is its deepest point, over 27,000 feet down. Few have dared to visit, and even fewer understand what lies below. The pressure could flatten a building, and the sense of isolation is overwhelming. The area is rarely studied due to difficult access and high risk. Samples reveal bizarre microorganisms and strange chemical compounds never seen before. Would you volunteer for the next mission to the forgotten depth? In Siberia lies Lake Baikal, the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, over 5,300 feet deep. Robotic submarines have discovered labyrinths of caves filled with bizarre life forms found nowhere else. The water is crystal clear but freezing, and the pressure increases rapidly with depth. Scientists have found methane bubbles, magnetic anomalies, and ancient relics buried in the silt. Some believe entire undiscovered ecosystems exist in Baikal's underwater caves. Would you dare to search for what lies beneath the ice? The Tonga Trench plunges over 35,000 feet into the Pacific, nearly as deep as the Mariana Trench. Massive earthquakes and underwater landslides strike without warning, making it one of the most dangerous places on Earth. The shifting seabed and unpredictable currents challenge every expedition. Scientists believe the trench could hold answers to our planet's geology and the origins of life. Gigantic amphipods and strange gelatinous animals have been found clinging to life in the darkness. Would you risk it all to uncover its secrets? These are the 10 deepest places on Earth that even scientists hesitate to explore. From the crushing darkness of the Mariana Trench to the icy mysteries of Lake Baikal, we've journeyed into the heart of our planet's secrets. These places test the limits of our technology, our courage, and our imagination. Would you dare to go deeper? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. Until next time, this is Chris, signing off from the edge of the abyss.